Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Complex channel. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your Windows 10 performance. First of all, there is two methods you need to do. The first method is the hardware and the second method is the software. The software method is temporary, however the hardware method is for permanent. So I will show you first for the permanent method that I'm going to use. First of all, open a browser and then scan, select Crucial System Scanner, search it, Crucial System Scanner, enter it, and then when you click on it, agree to the terms and conditions and then start downloading it. Open it, accept the user control request. Afterwards it will scan your system make to show you what you can upgrade on your system. Like, I recommend everyone to upgrade the RAM and the SSD. If you are on HDD hard disk drive, you need to update it to solid state drive because this will boost your system performance. And also, like here you can see I have 8 GB, it's removable, it's one slot, and the maximum memory I can add to it is 16 GB. And my laptop is SSD, so I don't need to change my storage type. So I'm going to show you what are the prices for the RAM if I wanted to change it. So for 16 GB memory RAM, the DDR4, it's £67, in USD dollars around $77 or $75. To be honest, it's not bad. However, if you are using it for example gaming or video editing, like you need to render 4K videos, I would recommend to use 16 GB RAM because this will increase the productivity of exporting files. So I would recommend to use 16 GB RAM. Also for the storage type, I would go for Crucial because Crucial are very good company on solid state drives. So I would recommend to buy from them the SSDs, or if you want to upgrade for 1 TB HDD. But for me, I would say a solid state drive is much better because it boosts the performance of the PC or the laptop. So this is one. That's the permanent position. That's the permanent method that you can use for upgrading your system or boosting your Windows 10 performance. The second method, which is the software, is first of all you have to go for the device manager, click on it, make sure all the system components are updated. I will show you how to update it. Click on this arrow and then right click on here, go to properties, driver, and then click on updated driver. Click on update driver. It will search automatically any new updates for the driver and then it will automatically update the driver for you. After you finish, you just click OK. If you finish all the updates for these drivers, that's fine. You click X and then here you type this PC, right click properties and then go for advanced system settings and then you click on settings. Here these three arrows need to be turned off like this, and then you apply it. When you apply it and you press OK, look what happens. It's much better. It's better. However, for me, I'm fine with this, so I don't need to turn it off. So I am alright. So for me, I would suggest also to go on startup apps and turn off the applications that you don't need, especially video softwares like Wondershare or Premiere or After Effects. These are applications that delay the process of loading the interface. So if you turn it off, there will be much space for the RAM to load other content on the computer. And also, if you go on apps and features, install the things that you don't need. For example, After Effects. Look at this, 2.57 gigabytes. This one is very large file. The media encoder as well, 2.29. You need to uninstall this one. And also, if you look at for example, this Microsoft Team on the starter, you need to disable this one because it's really bad on the memory. It keep it crashing all the time or freeze your computer. If you turn it off, that would be better, because I use this application, so that's for me. But if you have applications such as Microsoft Teams, you need to disable it from the starter. For example, I will show you here, or you click Control Alt Delete and then Task Manager. If you go on Startup, look, I have disabled the Microsoft Teams from the startup, and also I've disabled Wondershare, and also I have disabled the CCX process and the Creative Cloud Desktop. They are very bad. When you boot up your system, they take all the memory usage. In the Performance tab, you can see the CPU, the memory, the disk, and the GPU as well. If your disk is 100, then this means there is a problem with your disk. So you have to change the hard disk drive to SSD or to a new hard disk drive. But for me, I really recommend to change it for SSD. And also, if you look at the memory, if it's very near the limit, then this means there was something in the background is running, so you have to turn that one off to reduce the amount of memory usage. Like for me, I'm using now 48%, so that's fine because I'm recording the screen, and also there is files around the PCs just working with other things. Like I'm just doing video editing, so that's why it takes that much of my memory. For the processes, I have turned off Cortana voice because I don't need it, so you just need to end task for that. And also, if you look at other programs, like for example like this one, Microsoft Edge, you don't need it. For Microsoft Skype, you don't need it. You just turn it off. Just click on end task and turn it off. And also, if you look at the lock screen, you need to turn it off. Shell experience host, turn it off. And also, if you're not using your phone, if you're not linking your phone to your PC, you just need to turn off this feature. You don't need it. Also, for Wondershare Studio, like other programs you have on the PC, you can't turn them off. That's easy. The next thing is disk cleanup. You click here, select all these files need to be deleted. For example, this downloads, I don't need to do downloads. And then you click OK. You delete all these files. You need to wait a bit for the machine. Other things you can do is you search for optimize drives, or like defragment and optimize drives. Basically, if you click on your storage type, for example, if you have two storage types like SSD or HDD, click one of them, the one you want to optimize, and basically you just need to click on optimize. It will start running, and then it will tell you what are the current status for this one. For example, this one, basically what it do, it can optimize your drive to help your computer run more efficiently and analyze them to find out if they need to be optimized. Also, all the drives on or connected to your computer are shown here in this bar, and basically you need to do once at a time. Like if you have 3 storage, for example, if you have 2 SSD and 1 HDD, then you have to do one at each one. So basically you cannot do everything at once. You have to do one, and then when it finishes you do the second one, and when the second one finishes you do the third one. That's other method. The most important thing you need to check is when you go to settings and then you click on update and security, check for updates. This is very important, because the main reasons that your system is slowing down is because you're not updating your software. So you have to make sure that your software is up to date. If you have any troubleshoots with your software, you can fix it from here. Windows recommended this to all users who are using Windows 10 to fix their issues from here. You can run these softwares. It's built from Microsoft, so this can help you to fix the problem out, and basically prevents you from any issues in the future. Like they've put the internet connection, playing audio, printer, Windows update, Bluetooth, incoming connections, keyboard, network adapter, power issues. Sometimes there's power issues. And also I need to mention about this one, please do not play with the power, because if you play with the power, this will lead to other problems, like it will slow down your computer. Because there's other videos saying that when you open your power options, there's something here called high performance. If you click on this one, it won't change the performance of the computer, it's just slightly. However, for the long term it's very bad, because this will use a lot of power. It doesn't deal with that. The computer it's on the application you open and how many memory are you using for each application. So when you end the applications that are on the computer, this will lead to a better performance. That's one. That's another one. And basically I need to also, if you're not using your computer for gaming, I suggest that you turn this off and you click this as well. For game mode, you don't need the game mode, because if you turn this for the game mode, this one is just optimizing the system only when you play the game, so you don't need to do that. Also for the Xbox, if you're not playing Xbox, you can turn it off from the services. That's all I have for 220 method. And basically I told you for the permanent thing you need to do is for the hardware. If you wanted a permanent method, I would suggest to upgrade your hardware components like the RAM, memory and the storage. If you're on HDD, please update it to SSD, because this will sort everything out for you. You will see a much difference than the hard disk drive. Guys, if you find this video is useful, please subscribe to my channel and like and comment. And if you want any help, please comment down below, and also mention your other people. Thank you for watching. Bye now.